Morning everybody. So today is the 15th of December, so we have a new opening. So these are the Charlie's Nail Art advent calendars. So this is the mixed art one, so let's have a look and see what we've got today. Ooh, we have a foil. Ooh. And it's yellow and it's called Merry Christmas. So let's just have a very quick look, and I will do a swatch of it like I have done with everything else. Just moving out of the way so it's not really rattly. It's not making tons and tons of noise. Oh, it is pretty. Really nice yellow. Look at that. That is really pretty. Really pretty. It's coming off a bit more sort of mustard yellow, but yeah, that's really pretty. Really pretty. So that is the foil. Leave it like that, and then let's have a look at the glitter mix. Are you ready? Ooh, Starry Night. So this is hexagons, stars, so it's 3 grams. So let me just find another pot and we shall empty this out and have a look before I swatch it. It's really pretty blue. Oh, very pretty. So the blue lovers are going to like this, definitely. So we have iridescent, and we have, it's like a turquoisey blue and silver stars. Really pretty. Really reflective again. Right, I will quickly do some swatches and I shall be right back. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the swatch. So let's just top coat it. It's really pretty. It really is pretty. Wow. Okay, so that's the glitter mix there. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. So that is Starry Night. So I will just cure this. So let me know your thoughts down below. I have swatched the foil. It's not a very good swatch, but I have swatched it. I can't remember the name of it now. Merry Christmas. That's what the foil name is. And the glitter mix is Starry Night. So that's what it looks like in the bag. There. And that's what it looks like in the tray. Absolutely stunning. Really pretty. I can't stop fiddling with them. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on today's new goodies, and if you will be getting them or not, let me know. And yep, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, hopefully you will all join me tomorrow. Hopefully you're liking these very quick videos. I know they're very quick, but it's quite early in the morning, and you know, I just thought, well, I'll just unbox them on camera, then you know, you can decide whether you want to hop over and grab them or not. So this is the foil, not a great swatch, but this is the foil anyway. It kind of sort of moved on me when I was trying to do it. It kind of moved and stuck down again, but that's what it looks like anyway. So that's the foil, and then this is the glitter mix again. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow morning. And then we'll open the next day. Okay, thanks everybody so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye! I'll post pictures at the end.